Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Kolony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. This week we'll be going Oriental and I'll be preparing for you some croaker fish fillet with orange and lemon sauce. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. Now for this recipe, you may use any other fish fillet that you have, and I'll be using the yellow croaker fish. I find it to be very delicate and very tasty. Said before, I'll be making orange lemon chicken and fish, and I'm just going to wash my fish fillet. I have 2 pieces of fish fillet and I'll be washing it. You can use anything, but you can use cod. Any thick slab of fish will do. And it has been deboned. Now I'm drying it. I'm making shallow slices in the fish in order for it to absorb some of the seasoning. I'm just transferring them to another bowl for seasoning. Now that my fillet is ready, and this is for a portion for 2 persons, now I'll be using a teaspoon of cornstarch at the beginning. Then I'll be using some rainbow peppers, which consist of black pepper, white pepper, red pepper, and green peppers. Some salt and some liquid seasoning. We also need half of a lemon and an orange or more, depending on how much fish you have. Let's get our lemon and an orange. I'll be using another orange because I'll be needing more sauce than this. Now it's time to use half of the lemon. Let's make the marinade. I need some cornstarch, 1 teaspoon, pepper, just about half a teaspoon of this pepper. Half a teaspoon of salt. That's about it. And some liquid seasoning. No, you don't have to use liquid seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like. But I'm going to season the batter later on. That's about it. A couple teaspoons of the orange juice. And we mix. Now we're going to pour this over the fish and let it stay for about 15 minutes. Just sprinkle it over and allow it to marinate for about 15 minutes. A heaped tablespoon of cornstarch, same amount of flour, and half the amount of cornmeal. And the cornmeal is to make it crispy, and this is to make my coating for the fish. Seasoning with a little all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, a little za'atar seasoning for that extra tangy taste, and some dry herbs. Now we combine these. Notice I didn't put salt because most of the seasoning here have salt, but you may add some salt if you don't think it's salt enough. Now it's time to make our orange lemon sauce, and in my pan I'm going to mix half a teaspoon of ginger paste, about a teaspoon of garlic paste. So I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of sugar, freshly squeezed orange juice, the half of a lemon juice, a little chili powder, soy sauce, and I'm using about a little over a tablespoon, about 1.5 tablespoons. Now I'm going to give it a stir and allow it to cook until it gets to that right consistency. I'm actually dissolving the sugar before I put the heat on. Okay, that's good. Turn on your stove and allow it to cook until it becomes thick. I'm preparing some pasta to eat with this fish, so I'm just getting it ready now. My noodle is done. I'm turning the stove off. And I'm going to drain it now. My sauce is still going, and I'm going to stop it now because I'm going to add some cornstarch to it. This is the right amount of sauce that I need. I don't want it to boil down anymore, so I'm going to add some cornstarch to thicken it. And as soon as it gets thick, I'm going to turn the stove off. Time to fry our fish. Add some oil to the pot and allow it to get hot. That's about it. It's time to fry our fish, and I'm going to put it in my flour, my seasoned flour. Time to remove. Unless you want it much thicker than this. It's time to finish up my pasta, and I'm going to use a little ginger paste, a little garlic paste, allowing this to fry off. I don't want it to burn, so I'm going to add some vegetables. This is jalapeno pepper and some bell peppers, softening them. No, I said noodles, but this is actually egg noodles and not pasta. Now I'm adding some garlic chili sauce to complete it. Once we are finished, turn the stove off and then add our spring onions, and that's it. This is the final part of our meal, so I'm going to put the fish pieces in the pot, and then I'm going to add the sauce, and the sauce has to be hot. Now it's time to add our sauce. Pour the boiling sauce on, then turn your stove off, give it a quick toss, and then serve. Don't leave it too long in the sauce, you don't want it to become soggy. Here we have it. Quick, easy and affordable, colorful and extremely tasty. Guys, this was done in under half an hour, but yet it brought out such lovely taste. This is a very simple yet tasty dish. Doesn't take a lot of time, doesn't take a lot of seasoning, but it tastes superb. This orange lemon sauce complemented the fish beautifully and took it up a notch. It tasted so delicious. I would like you to try it, guys, and if you do, please leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.